Well, so let's begin with chapter number 54 of GK, and the name of the chapter is Famous Patriot of India. So हमें पता है कि हमारे इंडिया में बहुत सारे ऐसे देशभक्त थे जिन्होंने हमारे कंट्री को हेल्प की थी ताकि वो लोग इंडिपेंडेंट हो सके, राइट. सो इस चैप्टर में हम लोग उन्हीं कुछ पेट्रॉइट्स के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, राइट. उन पेट्रॉइट्स ने हमें कुछ स्लोगन्स दिए थे, उनके कुछ डायलॉग्स थे जो इस चैप्टर में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. सो शुरू करते हैं. सो इंडिया हैज़ गिवन बर्थ टू मेनी ग्रेट लीडर्स. कि हमारी कंट्री जो है इंडिया, उसने बहुत सारे ग्रेट लीडर्स को जन्म दिया है, राइट. दे हैव प्लेड अ वाइटल रोल इन इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल. कि उन लीडर्स ने इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल में एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले किया है. देयर सिंप्लिसिटी, करेज एंड विल पावर continues to be a source of inspiration for all of us today. कि उनकी जो simplicity थी, उनका जो हिम्मत थी, उनकी जो will power थी, वो हमें आज भी inspiration देती है so that we can take a stand for our country. कि हम अपने देश के लिए आवाज़ उठा सके, right? So let's begin with the question. What they are asking here are some famous quotes match them with the great personalities. तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि उनके कुछ फेमस डायलॉग्स थे, फेमस कोटेशंस थे, जिनके बारे में हम लोग इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. सो दे आर सेइंग कि यहाँ पर हमें कुछ फेमस कोटेशंस दी हुई हैं जिन्हें हमें उनके ग्रेट पर्सनालिटीज के साथ मैच करना है कि ये डायलॉग किसने बोला था, राइट. सो लेट्स बिगिन. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज स्वराज इज माय बर्थराइट एंड आई शैल हैव इट. So this was a very famous dialogue and it was spoken by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So let's find Bal Gangadhar Tilak and it is given over here. So let's write number 1 over here. After that, the next one is तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा, right? So this was the famous dialogue which was spoken by Bankim Chatterjee. So let's write Bankim Chatterjee over here and it is over here. So let's write number 2. Next is Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. So this was the dialogue which was spoken by Lal Bahadur Shastri. So let's find out Lal Bahadur Shastri over here and it is given over here. So let's write number 3 over Lal Bahadur Shastri. After that, the fourth one that we have is Aram. The fourth one that we have is Aram Haram Hai, right? So this was the dialogue which was spoken by Jawaharlal Nehru. So let's find Jawaharlal Nehru and it is given over here. So let's write 4 in front of Jawaharlal Nehru. After that, next is truth and non-violence is my God. So truth and non-violence जो है वो मेरे भगवान है, right? So this was the dialogue which was spoken by Mahatma Gandhi. So let's find out Mahatma Gandhi and it is given over here. So let's write number 5 in front of Mahatma Gandhi. After that, the next one that we have is patriotism is religion and religion is love for India. So ये जो dialogue था, it was spoken by, so patriotism is a religion and religion is love for India. So this was the dialogue which was spoken by Subhash Chandra Bose. So let's find out Subhash Chandra Bose and it is given on the top. So let's write number 6 on Subhash Chandra Bose. After that, the next dialogue that we have is Satyamev Jayate. So Satyamev Jayate was a very famous dialogue and which was spoken by Madan Mohan Malviya. So let's write number 7 on Madan Mohan Malviya. After that, the next dialogue is Inqilab Zindabad. So Inqilab Zindabad was spoken by Bhagat Singh and we have Bhagat Singh over here. Next one is I will not let British rule my state. कि मैं ब्रिटिश को ये अलाउ नहीं करता कि वो मेरे स्टेट को रूल करे, राइट. सो दिस डायलॉग वाज स्पोकन बाय रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. सो इट इज 9th over here. So that was all for this chapter. These were the famous quotes which were spoken by some of the famous patriot leaders of our country. So that is it. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.